Welcome to the Comprehensive Trade Knowledge Review course for sprinkler and fire protection installers to prepare for the 427A Red Seal License Exam, Part 1. Comprehensive Trade Knowledge Review course for preparing the sprinkler and fire protection installer, 427A Red Seal License Exam, is designed to provide in-depth preparation for individuals seeking to pass the 427A exam. This course covers topics related to common occupational skills, water supply installation, piping installation, fire protection systems layout, and fire protection systems testing and maintenance. Each module is strategically crafted to equip candidates with the necessary knowledge and skills to excel in the exam and their careers as sprinkler and fire protection installers. Module 1 performs common occupational skills, covering 20% of 427A exam questions. 1. Understanding safety regulations, occupational health practices, and proper work procedures specific to the fire protection industry. 2. Developing effective communication skills, teamwork, and problem-solving abilities is crucial for successful installation projects. 3. Demonstrating proficiency in blueprint reading, measurements, and technical documentation to interpret installation requirements accurately. 4. Practicing proper tool handling, equipment operation, and trade-specific techniques for efficient and safe work practices. 5. Implementing quality assurance processes, material handling procedures, and project coordination skills to ensure successful installations. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions on each of the topics mentioned below to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 427A exam. 1. Maintains a safe work environment. 2. Uses personal protective equipment, PPE, and safety equipment. 3. Performs lockout and tagout procedures. 4. Performs work in a confined space. 5. Uses hand tools. 6. Uses portable and stationary power tools. 7. Uses measuring and testing equipment. 8. Uses access equipment. 9. Uses rigging, hoisting, and lifting equipment. 10. Uses soldering and brazing equipment. 11. Interprets codes, standards, regulations, and procedures. 12. Uses drawings and specifications. 13. Uses documentation and reference material. 14. Plan job tasks and procedures. 15. Prepares worksite. 16. Performs layout of systems. 17. Commission water supply systems. 18. Commission fire protection systems. 19. Uses communication techniques. 20. Uses mentoring techniques. Module 2 installs water supply, covering 15% of 427A exam questions. 1. Installing water supply systems, such as piping, valves, and controls, in compliance with building codes and industry standards. 2. Understanding hydraulic principles, water flow calculations, and pressure requirements for effective water distribution. 3. Select appropriate materials, fittings, and components for water supply installations based on system design and specifications. 4. Implement proper pipe joining methods, pressure testing procedures, and flushing protocols to ensure the integrity of the water supply system. 5. Demonstrating competency in installing backflow prevention devices, water meters, and other water supply system components to meet regulatory requirements. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions on each of the topics mentioned below to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 427A exam. 1. Supervise trenching and backfilling. 2. Install underground piping and components. 3. Flush underground system. 4. Install fire pump units. 5. Determines the location of pumps, drivers, controllers, and components. 6. Installs pumps, drivers, controllers, and components. 7. Installs fire department connections. 8. Determines location, size, and type of fire department connections. 9. Installs fire department connection piping and components. 10. Installs private water supply systems. 11. Installs water tanks. 12. Installs related equipment. Module 3 installs piping, covering 28% of 427A exam questions. 1. Installing piping systems for fire protection applications, including overhead sprinkler systems, standpipes, and fire suppression systems. 2. Reading and interpreting piping schematics, layout plans, and design drawings to correctly position and install piping components. 3. Understanding pipe sizing, material selection, hanger spacing, and support requirements for secure and functional piping installations. 4. Implementing proper pipe cutting, threading, and joining techniques, adhering to manufacturer guidelines and trade best practices. 5. Conduct pressure tests, leak tests, and system inspections to ensure the integrity and performance of installed piping systems. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions on each of the topics mentioned below to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 427A exam. 1. Install piping. 2. Cut pipe and tube. 3. Bend pipe and tube. 4. Thread pipe. 5. Groove pipe. 6. Drill pipes and tube. 7. Grind pipe. 8. Prepare fittings. 9. Install steel pipe, tube, and fittings. 10. Install plastic pipe, tube, and fittings. 11. Install copper pipe, tube, and fittings. 12. Paint and label pipe and tube. 13. Install piping components. 14. Select sprinklers. 15. Install sprinklers and nozzles. 16. Install sleeves. 17. Install supports and hangers. 18. Install seismic protection. 19. Install cross-connection control assemblies. 20. Install system drainage. Module 4. Installs and lays out fire protection systems and devices, covering 21% of 427A exam questions. 1. Laying out and configuring fire protection systems, such as alarm systems, smoke detectors, fire extinguishers, and emergency lighting. 2. Understanding building codes, NFPA standards, and regulations governing the installation of fire protection equipment. 3. Installing fire detection devices, alarm panels, annunciators, and other essential components for comprehensive fire protection systems. 4. Troubleshooting and testing fire protection systems to verify proper functionality and compliance with safety requirements. 5. Demonstrating knowledge of system interconnection, control panel programming, and system operation for effective emergency deployment. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions on each of the topics mentioned below to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 427A exam. 1. Install and lay out fire protection systems and devices. 2. Install wet pipe systems. 3. Install dry pipe systems. 4. Install antifreeze systems. 5. Install pre-action, deluge systems. 6. Install foam systems. 7. Install standpipe systems. 8. Install water mist and hybrid systems. 9. Install specialty fire suppression systems. 10. Install dry and wet chemicals, clean agents, and carbon dioxide systems. 11. Install portable extinguishers. 12. Install detection devices. 13. Install wet and dry pilot lines. 14. Install heat-actuated devices, HADs. 15. Install spark detection systems. 16. Install air sampling systems. 17. Install electrical detection systems. 18. Install signal initiating devices. 19. Install alarm initiating devices. 20. Install supervisory initiating devices. Module 5. Installs, tests, and maintains, ITM, fire protection systems, covering 16% of 427A exam questions. 1. Installing fire protection system components, including sprinkler heads, detectors, control valves, and alarms, following manufacturer guidelines and industry standards. 2. Conducting thorough testing and inspection of fire protection systems to ensure proper operation, sensitivity, and response in fire events. 3. Performing routine maintenance, inspection, and servicing of fire protection equipment to ensure reliability and compliance with safety regulations. 4. Documenting ITM activities, test results, service records, and maintenance schedules for record keeping and regulatory compliance. 5. Integrating advanced technologies, IoT devices, and data analytics into fire protection systems to enhance performance, monitoring capabilities, and predictive maintenance practices. In our upcoming videos, we will provide comprehensive discussions on each of the topics mentioned below to help you review and strengthen your trade knowledge, ultimately supporting your success in passing the Red Seal 427A exam. 1. Inspects, tests, and maintains, ITM, fire protection systems. 2. Troubleshoot fire protection systems. 3. Repair deficiencies. 4. Performs scheduled maintenance. 5. Inspect and test fire protection systems. 6. Performs scheduled tests. 7. Performs scheduled inspections. 8. Inspects portable fire extinguishers.